Contractors and architects, did you know that wall and window moldings can now be installed before drywall with historical gypsum's revolutionary new patented moldings? You can save huge money in time and material costs. Typically, the old way of installing wall moldings requires 7 pieces needed on top,
with 4 pieces on the bottom.
Much time and expense is lost on caulking and wasted materials, dust and man hours. Historical Gypsum's new patented way only requires installing a crown and FGR baseboard molding with 5/8, 1/2 inch, or 1/4 inch molding flange. This is followed by installing panel molding and drywall between molding flanges. Then you tape the molding flange and drywall joint. No need for caulking and no nails or screws to patch. Only 3 pieces needed for appearance. Installed crown molding pieces come in 12 feet, 10 feet, and 8 feet length. Call us at 818-503-0741 to get more info.